The woods tried to kill me. Look at this, guys. This is sharp and dangerous. That's a bit too much. The woods is not. I'm not a fan of the woods anymore. Nature is trying to kill us.
Hey, when the moon hits, we invade the second floor of Alumni. Here comes the coward now. the mentally disturbed coward. That's him right there.
Let's take a minute of me explaining what that is. So.
Yeah, no one cares. This is for the tribe. Anyway.
Go.
What do you think I'm gonna jump?
Leap! Naruto run!
Beautiful.
Oh.
That's not gonna work. I'm scared.
How that works.
I forget.
Pickles, onions, ketchup. Of course it has cheese.
Right? Are you writing this down? Pickles, ketchup, cheese, onions. Yeah.
Pickles, ketchup, cheese, onions.
Just dash him
Whoa,
video.
what the hell?
I was trying to get a ball.
If you speed up really fast, it'll fall.
Alright, you say so.
I can't see. Hello, guys, from the dash cam. We're going back to campus.
Yeah, we're actually already on campus.
We're on campus. We're going to McDonald's to get some food.
Yeah, Bolton African tea,
Some good old fine dining. Fine dining.
I can't see. I can't see. The dash is gonna catch me hitting somebody at the crosswalk. Yeah, like and subscribe for more content.
Like and subscribe.
What kind of sauce?
No sauce.
What kind of sauce? No sauce?
Yeah, no sauce. Just get what we can.
Salvage what we can. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Big Mac's still there.
On the ground.
Sometimes bad things happen,
As long as we can
but they happen for a reason.
Change. Wait, actually, no. Take a video of the.
We may have lost this battle, but we will win the war.
Good fries were lost.
Come on, Zach, give me something.
Death is inevitable, dude. I mean, like, we're all gonna die.